Hey guys, back by popular demand, meaning my mom said our last video was cute. I'm Kirsten.
I'm Anastasia. Oh, I thought you were going to say more.
Tell them what we're doing on today's episode of the Kirsten and Annie Show.
It's not what this is called. Today we're going to be taste testing some popular protein bars. If you really want to know what the best option is, or maybe some healthier alternatives, because some of these aren't so great, we're going to have a full blog post where we talk about macros, ingredients, and give you some great alternative options to these bars.
Shout out to Brad for actually giving us this idea. We might actually turn this into a series.
If you'd like us to taste test more protein bars, drop brands or whatever flavors in the comments and we can put those in future videos.
We're going to start with the Cliff Bar. This has 250 calories and 9 grams of protein. This flavor is chocolate brownie.
Not a lot of protein.
Oh, it doesn't look that.
No.
I've never actually had a Cliff Bar, but
that looks exactly like Duncan's poo-poo.
This looks like, I used to live out in a pasture. Well, I used to live out on a farm.
Wait, hold on. You used to live in a pasture?
I lived out on a farm for a little bit.
In the pasture?
I lived on some acreage, and there was cows there, and this reminds me a lot of what used to be dropping out of there behind. So we'll see how it tastes. Doesn't smell like that though. Not that I know what that smells like. So, ooh, protein. Oh, actually that's good. It doesn't taste anything like a cow turd. That's good. Has 21 grams of sugar.
I mean, I wouldn't say it's good.
Like tasting?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Ooh,
and it's limited edition.
No,
Packaging.
It's packaging. Oh no,
Sorry, the packaging is limited edition.
It's weird because I wouldn't say that it's super sweet, but there's a lot of sugar in it.
Yeah.
I don't really like the texture. Like there's like a weird crunch.
That's what I like. She doesn't like hard stuff. Yesterday we made healthy brownies.
I made healthy brownies yesterday, and I didn't like the texture.
Because they weren't hard. Well, no, they were too soft for her. I like crust and hard. This is getting inappropriate. We should rate these with muscles, like how many strong arms we'll give them. So out of 10, 10 being the most strong arms, this one gets a 7 for me. A 7 strong. I don't eat protein bars.
And I would probably give this maybe like a 4.
Okay, she gives it 4 strong arms.
4 strong arms.
Up next, we have the Luna protein bar. This one has 12 grams of protein and 180 calories. And this one is chocolate chip. Oh God, it's cookie dough? I don't like I bought these. I don't even like cookie dough. I saw chocolate chip.
No, it looks like a candy bar.
Oh, it smells like, okay, I'm not gonna lie, I used to do Slim Fast when I was like 12. And that's what it's
Yikes with a capital Y.
I'm not getting into my eating problems back in the day. Oh man, it smells like a Slim Fast.
It actually looks like not that bad.
It looks like
inside.
Sorry, Luna. You just don't do it for me. That's it.
You're so dramatic.
It tastes just like a Slim Fast bar.
It's really strangely chewy. Like it's too chewy.
What part of that is chocolate chip cookie dough? Sorry, wait. It says it seems impossible until it's done. And I'm like, well, y'all didn't make the bar, right?
Are they talking about themselves?
I don't know. Luna, no hate, but I hate it.
It's like, there's like a taste, I feel like. Because at one point, when I did Atkins when I was younger.
Oh Jesus, we both were this is true. We both were overweight as children.
This is like similar to what there's like, I don't know what the taste is. I feel like it's some chemical that's common in all of them. But there's like a taste of like these like diet nutrition bar whatevers. It's like this weird chemically like filler kind of taste, but that just took me like right back to Atkins bars.
Yeah,
I don't know
it
what
tastes
it is.
like a diet bar, which is
yeah,
weird.
it's a diet bar. There's like a diet bar flavor, and it doesn't matter what flavor it's supposed to be. They all have this like underlying, I don't know what. It's like this diet bar flavor.
This is not like advertised as a diet bar. It's a protein. It says clearly protein, so they could have not made it taste like that. But this bar does not even get a strong arm. It's not getting. It gets an F. Like it doesn't even deserve a name strong arm because that did not taste good.
It would get too strong arms. I could still probably eat it. Like I could eat it, you know. I just wouldn't like it.
No for me.
All right, next we have the Quest chocolate chip cookie dough bar. This is 21 grams of protein, so that's pretty darn high.
That is a lot.
And we're also again following up in the Luna bar trend of chocolate chip cookie dough.
Ah, I did not see cookie dough. I'm not a fan of cookie dough, and I bought these.
Well, yeah, you bought two different
I saw chocolate
ones.
chip and stopped reading there.
Try it. I can open it.
Use your teeth. Dennis, don't watch this video. Okay. This is why I should be the designated opener.
I put lotion on before I started the video. My hands are slippery.
Oh, okay. It looks better than the last one.
Doesn't. Just feel it. Just feel it. Just touch it. The way it feels is so strange.
Is this out of date? No, it's not. It's not expired yet. Holy moly! 21 grams of protein in that bad baby.
The way that it feels is very off-putting.
Yeah. Looks like it's lots of chocolate chips though in there.
There are lots of chocolate chips in it.
The silence probably says a lot. I'm gonna pick the chocolate chips out. The chocolate chips in it are good.
It's this stuff. It's like the texture of it.
That's where the protein's at.
It's so strange to me.
I can't get behind that. Do people eat these?
I know for a fact that my dad buys Quest protein bars, so Dad, if you're watching this, stop.
Annie's dad. What is wrong? And I know you, sir. You can cook. Why are you eating this? I can't get the taste. The aftertaste. The aftertaste of this is very strong.
I also think it's the erythritol. I think that's what the flavor is. There's like an underlying chemical flavor that like hits you in the back of your tongue when you eat it. And
I was really looking forward to eating a whole bunch of chocolate today, and this is not turning into what I thought it was gonna be. So taste-wise, now granted, we're not even talking about the ingredients and the macros and all of that, but just taste-wise, I don't know. It can have two strong arms. It can have two strong arms. They're a Quest. You get two.
Taste-wise, I would give that one strong arm. I think the Luna was definitely better than that. And that seems like there's more of it than the Luna. So it'd be like more to suffer through. All right, we saved the best for last. At least the most interesting for last. This is the Gatorade Whey protein bar. It has 20 grams of protein. And the macros on this are just bananas. There are 29 grams of sugar in it. And I'm really now wondering how that matches up against like a Snickers bar.
I don't pay attention to the sugar. I just know it's a Snickers and I eat it. I wish this was a Snickers. Do we have any Snickers? I honestly want to know. We're gonna dive into this and see if it tastes like Gatorade. What if it tastes like Gatorade?
I really hope it doesn't, but as the things have been going, I wouldn't be surprised if it did.
There's only 20 grams of sugar.
There's only 20 grams of sugar in the standard Snickers bar. So this actually is 9 grams more than that.
But you're getting your protein in.
Yes.
I guess that's what
where
matters.
it beats the Snickers in the protein department. Yes, I did it.
Her muscles worked today.
This thing is big.
It looks good. I am excited for this.
We didn't say the flavor. This is chocolate chip flavor.
Thank God no cookie dough.
Like, I mean, it looks not bad.
Let's do it on scale. This is Anastasia's face. This is the bar.
It's a big bar.
You get the smaller
And
piece.
then that's what it looks like on the inside.
Money! I'm gonna eat all of this. Thank God for sugar. Doesn't taste like Gatorade, but this is good.
This is a candy bar. It's good. It's definitely good. This is a candy bar with protein in it. So, I mean, if that's what you're looking for in a protein bar, I guess you could go with it.
Wow. Knocked it out of the park.
If you're looking for like clean protein or health, or if you're not looking to have a bunch of sugar, then this would not be the great option. I guess it's for athletes or something, but at the same time, there's 13 grams of fat in this. So this is like, If you were doing this before a game or something, you really don't want to consume that much fat because fat can slow down digestion. So I just don't know exactly if this is for like recovery or if it's...
Much for recovery. I didn't work out today and I've almost had all of it.
No.
I can feel myself getting stronger. I can feel it. Oh man, I just woke up from getting stronger. This gets a 10 strong arms for flavor and taste, and yes, this gets a yes all around.
I'm very torn. Strictly on taste, I would give it like 8 strong arms. But on like macros and ingredients, I would give this like -5 strong arms. There's a lot of better options out there.
Before this video, I couldn't even lift this table. Now look at me. So strong. Oh God. Actually, I have no clue about protein or how it works or macros or anything like that. So if you want more information on the bars and which ones you should and shouldn't eat, you should probably check out her post on her website, which she will link below. If you like this video, like and subscribe and let us know in the comment section what you guys want to see next, and we'll keep bringing them your guys' way as long as you guys watch them.
You guys being Kirsten's mom. As long as Kirsten's
Hi, Mom.
watches this, we'll keep making them.
She thinks we're cute.
Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video later.
Catch you on the flip side.
What we just ate. Okay. I'll start and you can kind of like follow, I guess.
No, I'll start. Say go.
No, I'll start. Stay there.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right,
Wait,
Annie.
hold on. Go.
All right, Annie.
No,
Tell.
wait, hold on. I'm gonna say go. Wait a second and then talk. Go.
Shout out to Brad.
Wait.
Oh,
Sorry.
forgot.
Go.
Shout out to Brad who I forgot. Okay, we need to do an exit.